Hi, this is Ashwini Kumar Tripathi, a corporate trainer. I hope all of you are well. In my first video, I talked about why I want to be a superstar speaker, and for that program only, today I'll be presenting a topic in front of you. My topic is about relationship. In this, I'll be talking about one aspect of relationship. Please don't worry, I'll not talk too much. But to understand it in a very easy way, I would like to narrate a story to you. I hope you won't mind because all of us love hearing a story since our childhood, right? So, once upon a time, not in Mumbai, in Bengaluru, there were two friends. How many friends? Two friends. One was gold and another one was iron. They were very good friends. They were having a very strong and healthy relationship with each other. They used to meet with each other. They used to share their ideas and opinions with each other. So one day they met, they started their conversation as usual. Hi, how are you? In Samachara, Channagidra, and all. So after few minutes, Gold said to Iron that, my dear friend, from past few days I am bothered about one thing. Actually, uh, one question I am having. And if you don't mind, I would like to ask you. Iron said, yes, of course, you are my best friend, you can. Then Gold asked to Iron, he said, my dear friend, as you know, people reshape you, people reshape me to get something, to make something. Like blacksmith reshapes you to make X or any weapon or something else. Goldsmith reshapes me to make jewelries. I answered, yes, I know. So, in order to reshape, blacksmith hits you with hammer. Goldsmith hits me with hammer. But I do not make too much noise. At least not like you. You make too much noise. Why? Iron kept quiet for a few seconds, then responded to Gold's question. Iron said, my dear friend, my dear charming friend, Mr. Gold, just think that blacksmith hits me with hammer, goldsmith hits you with hammer, and the hammer is made up of iron. It means hammer belongs to my family, right? It does not belong to your family. When your own people hits you, hurts you, you feel another kind of pain, right? You can't compare it with that pain which you get from other ones who are not your family member who do not belong to you or whom you do not love too much. Means गैरों की चोट का दर्द इतना नहीं होता जितना कि अपनों की चोट का दर्द होता है. And Aaron was just listening to Gold. Sorry, Gold was just listening to Aaron. Gold kept quiet, could not say anything more. So the moral of the story is, as Aaron said, please do not hurt your own people at least. It's very good if you are not hurting anyone, but at least please do not hurt your own people, because that will give them a lot of pain. And because of that, you will not be able to build, maintain, or sustain your relationship with them. रिश्तों को पैसों की तरह संभाल के रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि दोनों को गंवाना आसान है पर कमाना उतना ही मुश्किल. ये हम सब जानते हैं. ऑल ऑफ अस नो इट. स्टिल वी डू नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ इट. एंड for this, what can we do? At least have a better communication with your beloved ones. Right? That communication can help you. Take care of your words. Take care of sentences which you say to your own beloved ones. That is very important. To be polite with your beloved ones, with your friends, with your families, with your relatives. See, if you can be very much polite to your customer, why not with your family members, friends, and relatives? Just think about it. I say one thing, that to hurt someone, no need to throw a stone. You can hurt someone just by changing your tone. So please take care of your tone, take care of your words, take care of your expressions while talking to or communicating to your friends, your family members, your relatives. Right? So please take care of yourself, take care of your family members, take care of your relations. That's all from my side for today. We'll meet again. Till that time, bye bye. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks a lot.